Regardless of political party, there are many of you that support campaigns in one form or another. But if you give dollars to a campaign, your money doesn't necessarily or always go towards yard signs or television commercials. It can go to other things, including criminal defense attorneys. In fact, two of our area's most well-known leaders have spent thousands of dollars doing just this in recent months. And KPRC2 investigator Mario Diaz joining us now. And Mario, this is a trend that we have seen really in recent years.
It is, Daniela, okay? And KPRC2 investigates, and one of our investigations shined a light on this practice. To remind you once again, though, I want to tell you, this is legal. Okay, first off, let's remember the case that we exposed involving the African art inside of a Harris County maintenance shed, and County Commissioner Rodney Ellis, well, he did use some of his campaign funds to have Rusty Hardin represent him in that criminal investigation. Then, of course, you had President Donald Trump, along with Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton, use their campaign dollars to mount a defense in their impeachment and criminal cases. And now we have two prominent county judges serving in our backyard. Lena Hidalgo representing Harris County and KP George out in Fort Bend County, who, according to their latest campaign treasure chest, they have tapped into to pay some of their criminal defense attorneys. Okay, so in filings now, going back to July of last year, here it is right here. We have, this was just entered a few days ago. Okay, you have Hidalgo at about $18,500. We spoke to her attorney, Cord Akers, about this. He was brought in by Hidalgo after three of her senior staffers, if you remember, were indicted by a Harris County grand jury in connection to the awarding of a nearly $11 million outreach contract. Meanwhile, KP George has reported in his campaign finance report $100,000. That breaks down to $85,000 going to Rusty Hardin and Associates, with another $15,000 going to an attorney named Daniel Lazarine. George is facing a misdemeanor thus far tied to the criminal misrepresentation of identity case involving his former chief of staff, Daniela.
Out in Fort Bend County.
Yep, that's Taral Patel. So these are the numbers. And again, to be clear, they are not using public dollars, but rather campaign dollars given to them by supporters.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, Mario.
All right, no worries. Oh, I was just going to say really fast, I did reach out to Hidalgo. He did not provide me, her attorney did not provide me a statement. KP George, though, told me in a phone call, there is nothing illegal. This is a situation that I have to deal with. Once I clear my name, this is going to be taken care of.
That's a quote. All right, Mario, thank you very much. And I know you work the phones. You work really hard. Who else did you reach out to get?
I spoke with the Democratic chair, Mike Doyle, for Harris County. He tells me that he doesn't think this is a bad thing in principle, because sometimes politicians get attacked wrongfully, according to him. The Republican chairperson for Harris County, Cindy Siegel, she tells me if a donor gives knowing that it's going for a specific use of a defense fund, then she's okay with that. But if a donor has no idea, then her personal belief is that it shouldn't be allowed.
All right. Do they have to say that they are using the money for this? Okay.
Not at all.
All right, Mario, thank you very much.
All right.